Ng Parikoy Villa Boys. Yung mga scorer.
Nag-design sila parehas na
Running time.
dahil ayaw nilang maparang. Which is tama naman nga din.
Oo.
No good.
Running time daw, ha? Sky. Running time. Oo. Di walang.
Number 0, no good.
Tapos ngayon ang 9. Puta bilis. Ang galing time ay walang walang
Good score.
3-4.
3 points by number 1, Arceo.
Oh, di yan. Dito.
Number 6, pasa dun sa kakampi sa kaliwa. Good for 2 points.
5-0.
best video.
5-0.
3 points
Pa,
kanina.
3 points yung kanina. 5-0.
Good for 2 points by number 23.
5-2.
Alley pass. Good for 2 points by number 3. Number 5, nagulat sa pasa. Nothing but board. Number 3, skip pass kay Arceo. Number 1, no good. Mabanlak, got the rebound. Pasa kay number 31. Number 31, tumigil sa tres. No good. Number 6, with a rebound. Abraham, pasa kay number 3. Number 3. To Arceo, number 15. No good. Number 1 get the rebound by tangkab pala. Tangkab ang layup. Mabanlak. Number 23. No good. Rebound ni number 15. Pasa kay Abraham. Alley-oop pass. Arceo, no good. Number 19. Tumamogs na si Verano, no good. Number 23. Uy. No good.
Yeah.
Abraham. Wala pa rin.
Parang naka-speed.
Wala pa rin.
Naka-times 2 na tape.
Oh, sa number 1 naman. Number 14, no good. Arceo, ayaw nang tumira ni number 1.
Yeah.
10 to shoot. Sino naman ang titira? Number 14, 5 to shoot. Arceo for 3. Bullseye.
Oy, mother cats! Wala daw mag-atid kay Jessica po. Kaya, graduation.
Number 6,
Batras ko siya.
Ha?
Batras ko siya.
number 6. Pasok sa gitna kay number 31, no good. Number 31, mahakol.
Bakit?
Nakaka-confine natin ang papa niyo. Oh, sige ka. Ano te? Ano?
Hindi ko kasi alam. Hindi ko alam which is this.
Sama na lang. Bakit ano mo siya?
I mean, akala ko sasakyan. Kaya sabi ko
Abraham.
batras ko. Na
No
paano?
good. Magmanla.
Ang pakinig ko kayo, no?
Pass break.
Oh.
Uy.
Kumain ng
Wow.
passion.
Good for 2 points.
At saka,
31.
Sigarilyo.
kung hindi ako nagkakamulo.
Ano oras ka ang graduation ni Nako?
Bakit di ka magpapamikap?
Hindi, tinanong ko naman.
Abraham.
Sana
Score
siguro
is
sa sarili.
10-4.
Kaya naman niya nga.
Skip pass kay number 15. Corner 3, good for 3 points.
Hanap pa yung kasama mo!
Padua, nawala ang bola. Bullet pass kay Arceo. Arceo, stolen by number 9. Number 9, bumabangga. Good for 2 points. That's 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Sunday.
Abrahan, bumukol, no good. Number 15.
Meron ng 3.
May pinasaan sa gilid, another corner, 3, wala. Number 9, pasa kay number 0. Number 0, pinasa sa paa ang kalaban. Number 6, good for 2 points by number 1. Rondina, no good. Number 23 with the rebound. Pasa kay Magmanlak for 3. Yes, sir.
3 points.
Good for 2
Marico.
points by number 0.
3 points.
Sorry.
Nice.
Kung yun kanina, nasiguro na ako.
Yes.
Kung may official score.
Abraham, pasa kay number 15. Back to number 3. Fakes. Inside pass, kicks it out to Abraham, number 6. 10 to shoot. Oh, good. Say with the put back. Wala pa rin. Oh. Muntik na. Uy, what a pass from number 31 from the other side. Magmanlak, pinasa pa. Okay, number 6 and good for 2 points by number 6.
11-15. Meron ng
Arceo from 3. No good.
Ay, natamad na ba? Ano ba ang exam na ito?
3. Ay. Sub.
Substitution.
Kasi nag-blue.
Last 2 minutes and 7 seconds.
Schedule natin ang
2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining.
Eh, di ko walang Friday. Pero ang schedule natin ay New Blue. So, nag-start ko natin.
Ayan ba? Kasi nunod ko yung chat mo.
Last 2 minutes.
Pink
Yung chat mo.
Abraham.
Pink ang nakalagay pag nag-play.
Wala sa alaala.
Number 14. Tumira. Airball. Rebound from Steve Barreco. Rendina. Bounce pass. Oy. Give and go. Magmanlak and Rendina.
Kaya ko nagtanong kahapon din sa
Good for 2 points by number 6.
13-15.
Anong
Ang
sunod
Saturday,
nyo
ano
kahapon?
na? Wash day na. Hindi na...
Last 10 to shoot. Number 6. Pass sa kabila. Good for 2 points.
Shoot. SK.
1 minute and 15 seconds. As 1 and 15. Rondina naghahanap ng papasahan. Nakita sa number 9.
Shoot!
Number 9 puts up a tray. No good.
Ito na lang sa buka.
That's 1 minute. Abrahan, mga ayaw na magsibabaan. Number 14. Crucial, pero gaya ng tira.
Maya.
Last 40 seconds.
Maya na.
Perfect!
Time out. Team Patagoy.
Mapaglimot ka muna.
Remaining time, 35 seconds.
Ikaw muna dyan.
13-17. Basta first quarter.
Abrahan, number 3, setting up a play. Nagpinasahan sa gilid. Number 6 posting up, stolen by number 6, Rondina. To Magmanlak lays, and good for 2 points. 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 5.
And first.
And at the first quarter, official score 17-15 in favor of White.
Second quarter.
Oy, good release from number 4, no good. Number 20, wala. Here comes number 6. To Abraham. Elbow jumper, no good. Paraguay's ball. Pagmanlak. Oops. Ganado sa Rondina. Good for 2 points.
All 17.
Absent na rin bukas.
Yan.
Masakit ng katawan. Number 3. Very good. Magmanlak. Between the leg pass. Number 9, no good. Number 0, good for 2 points.
Mga takes favor. 19, 17.
Abraham. Scanning the floor. Pasa sa loob. Time to shoot. Number 10. No good. Abraham get the rebound. No good. Nakakuha na number 20. Pasa kay Magmanlak. Magmanlak. Switching hands. Magmanlak. Pinasa kay Rondina. Another 2.
Apat. Mukhang apat ito lang.
Abraham. Number 13, back to Abraham, number 6. Abraham attacking the basket, no good. Number 20 got the rebound, still with number 13. Number 13, elbow jumper, still no good. Number 20 with another rebound. Pasa bigla sa kabila, pero na-intercept ng number 13. Pasa kay number 10.
Mira.
No good. Same ball. With 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Oh, what an alley pass to number 10 and good for 2 points.
51, 19.
Magmanlak with the quick 3.
Yo, 3
Good for 3 points by number 0.
24.
Abraham setting up a play. Pasa kay number 6. Number 6 spinning. Oh, breaking. Sabay pasa. To Abraham sa kabila kay number 10. Naglalaro na naman ng Team White. Number 10 hindi na tumalon. Number 13. Good for 2 points. Magmanlak. Pinabayaan na naman sa 3. That's another one. Para kay Magmanlak.
Seryoso. 27, 21.
Abraham. Abraham. Oops. Ganda ng move si Abraham. But it's no good. And number 4. Inagawa ni Abraham. Abraham bumabangga. Pinasa sa labas kay number 3. No good. Number 13. Turn around. Number 12. Quick pass from number 16 to number 3. Rodriguez. Magmanlak.
Limoy ng tiha para offensive.
Stolen. Number 3, back number 16. Sayang, no dribble play sana. Oh, number 9. Medyo lang ang pass number 4, hindi alam magagawin. Napreso si number 4. Number 16, good for 2 points. That's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 5 and 30.
55, 27.
Magmanlak, crosses over. Pasa kay number 4. Number 4. Same ball. Time out. Paraguay.
25, 27.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 13 seconds.
Tamaan ako.
Verano. So magmanlak, magmanlak. From way deep. Magmanlak. Sino yung swerte? Nag-practice na rin kanina.
Namang ng 5.
Rodriguez. Number 31. Uy, number 31 with a sweet move. No good. Uy, Termural, biglang suka ni number 31. Biglang nasuka. Sa ginawa. Substitution. Kaya, ganda sana nun. Abraham. Number 6, Rondihan, nawawalang bola. Magbanlak, magbanlak. Steps back, and another one, parang magbanlak. That's another 3.
Lima na yun.
Napang ng 8.
Abraham. Abraham, dumatas karte. Abraham, laser up.
Shoot.
Laser in.
Andre, alam mo yung set lag na
Alin?
set lag.
Set lag?
Ayun. Parang sa vlog.
Rondina ay binaba ang bola. Yung magmanlak ulit. Magmanlak, ipinasa na kanyang number 20. Rodriguez driving sa gitna. No good. And the rebound goes to number 16. Number 16 pala, pinasahan. At masyadong malakas. Ang pass.
Over the barcode.
Saan kukuhanin yun?
Kabila.
That's 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 3 and 15.
33-27. Naman ang team Paricoy.
Rondina naghahanap. Nakita si Rodriguez. Rodriguez with a bounce pass. Oops. Nagmabagal si number 4. Biglang nilabas. Good for 2 points.
Ito.
Number 6. Abraham humahapit na. That is an offensive foul. Para kay number 6.
Ano yun? Edit na rin. Edited na rin. I mean, compiled na siya doon.
Same ball with 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes and
Siyang
10.
nag-introduce.
Number 9. No good.
Meron kami natin sino. Parang shared na lang. Ito yung current list ka ng mga game. Tapos kada oras lagi ka.
Last 2 minutes.
Okay.
Number 10 fades away. Good for 2 points.
35-29.
Rondina, naghahanap. There's the steal from number 10.
Madami kayo.
Number 10, kay number 13. Binigay kay number 16. Good for 2 points.
31.
Ayan.
Magmanda. Puts up another jumper. And another one. Good for 2 points.
Parang sisiwas.
Magmanda, catching fires. Whoops, Abraham. No good.
Oo, pag tinawag mo, parehas kayo.
Rondina. To Magmanda.
Kaya 37 lang rin.
Ginagawa niyo ng show.
Magmanda. Puts it up. Tempo sa rin. Mainit pa rin si Magmanda. Gustong mapicturan.
Para ba siyang acting?
55 seconds.
Hawaii store.
Abraham.
Saka nang
11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot.
kada oras.
Abraham. Nakita si number 16. In and out. And here comes Magbanlak on the other side. Nako po. Diretso sa damuhan.
Pwedeng 40.
White ball. 32 seconds. That's 32 seconds. Number 13 crosses over, takes the floater, no good. Number 20, bullet. Parang galit. Parang galit ang pass ng number 30 ah. Going for number 16. That's 15 seconds. Barreno, no good. 10 seconds.
Shoot.
Good for 2 points. Last 5 seconds.
Awat. 14
And
na rin.
the second end of the second quarter. Official score.
Yeah.
Official score 40-33 in favor of Abraham to start the third quarter. No good.
Just tuligan-ligo na ako. Tara na po palinggo.
Check, check. Magmanlak, guarded by Abraham. Last 10 to shoot. Magmanlak din diskarte. Magmanlak, steps back. Pinasa sa loob. No good.
Akin ako si
Number 15. Number 3 on the other side. Masyado malakas.
Nelson.
Pero na-rebound ng kakampi. Balik kay number 3 and good for 2 points.
Yeah. Sige boys. Shoot.
Magkano po? Ano mag... 2
2
points.
points.
Magkano po?
Rodriguez. Magmanlak. Good. Unang salin, magmanlak. Abraham, quick pass to number 15. Masyado malakas. Number 16 with a putback.
Shoot.
Good for
Escape.
2. Number 20. Naghahanap. Pasa ka number 6.
Perfect.
Kickball.
Kickball.
Sa partner of Brad.
Ay, yung bago?
Akala ko pupunta si Chuck.
Number 20 turn around. Wala. Abraham, quick release.
Yo, 3 points. Oh, all 40. All 40.
Thank you. Thank you for reminding me.
Hindi na. Ito magmanlak. Magmanlak din diskarte. Number 23, tumira, no good.
Natalo pa nga ang Villa Boys sa kanila.
Number 15,
Yo. Tanong na. Shoot. Shoot.
change favor.
Bago sumapit
Number 14,
right side.
good for 2 points.
Uli.
Timeout. Team Paraguay.
44-40.
Bahala.
Verano, Pastor Rondina. Rondina, pasa sa gitna. Number 20, tumira, no good. Number 20, got the rebound, no good, but there is a foul. Committed by number 15. It's your first personal foul. First team foul. First throw is
Mas
good.
original na rin sa radyo ata.
Number 13, bumukol ng 3, no good. Na-rebound din number 16. Back to number 13. To number 3, Abraham, no good.
One, two, three, go. Kanya-kanya na.
Number 3, nawala ang bola. Pasa kay Magmanlak. 10 to shoot. Magmanlak with a in and out. Magmanlak. No good.
Good. Jump ball.
Jump ball, same ball. Good for 2 points. Number 9.
Ay.
Intercepted by number 20. Magmanlak for 3.
Oh.
No good.
Oh.
Foul committed by number 9. Palagi, diretso. Sige na. Number 13, turn around.
Shoot.
Good for 2 points.
Shoot.
2 points. Thank you, boys.
Pakinig ko naman. Chill lang naman po.
Number 23, Padua. No good. That's 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Oy, number 14, crosses over. Naghanap ng papasaan sa number 14. Saan sa number 13.
Sadyang,
Abraham. Elbow jumper, good for 2 points.
Pag 2
Shot.
minutes under.
Shoot.
Pag 2 minutes under. Parang maraming time lang. Maraming time lang.
lahat.
Ten to shoot. Boy, what a fight. 5 to shoot. Rondina. No good.
Stop.
Abraham for 3. No good.
Yes,
Rebound by
shoot.
number 6. Good for 2 points.
15 na. Kapaan. Yung huling kalaban ng Villa Boys, 100 ata.
Number 23, Padua. Pasa kay number 9. Good for
Shoot.
2 points.
Okay, shoot.
Dapat ay pinagpapaalam mo dyan.
Oo naman nila. Kaso mga nila. 100 per hour.
Number 14. Good for 2 points.
Shoot. Scale, shoot. Scale. 2 points.
Time na rin ba? Ay,
Tuto 200 per hour. Ay, mula as alas
Number 9 sa gitna. Verano. No good. Number 15, nakita si Abraham. Abraham! Showing what's in the bag. Abraham. Inaasawa ng number 20. Hindi kinaya. Number 6. Back to Abraham. Kicks it out to Arceo for 3. No good. That's 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 2 and 15.
5 seconds.
Hindi na makahinga mga... pare ko.
That's 2 minutes. Padua iniwasan. Ayaw dumikit. Good for 2 points. By number 23. Abraham again. Abraham with the Pinoy step. Good for
Shoot.
2 points.
Okay. 54-47.
1 minute and 45.
Ah,
Number 14.
ay. Shoot. Aba, di na ako.
Number 14 again. Wala. Number 1, pinasa sa kalaban. Just 1 minute and 20 seconds. Good for 2 points by number 6.
Yo, 2
Good
points.
for 3 points.
2 points
by
kay
number
Pete.
14.
2 points lang.
2 points lang daw.
Mas ko.
45 seconds. Good for 2 points by number 6.
2 points daw sa, Parikoy.
35, Abraham.
Shoot yaman, Parikoy sa Parikoy.
Oo, sa pare ko yun.
That's 30 seconds.
Kakashoot lang. Kakashoot lang, Parikoy.
That's 20 seconds. That's 15. Ten.
Hira.
Last five.
Rest.
55. Third quarter. Third quarter.
End of the third quarter.
Abaya, 49, 59.
4 na lang ulit. Score.
In favor of Team White.
Mali!
Sira na agad ang pagkatao.
Totoo ba?
Number 6.
Bayaw lang nga sila.
Arceo.
Sabi namin kung pinangala.
Oh, good.
Isa na lang.
Kaya pa yan.
Number 9. Nagpapakita ng the moves. Number 14. Good for 2 points.
Yan, 61.
Number 20. Nakawala sa dalawa. Rodriguez to number 6. Inside pass. No good. Number 0. Magbandak. Wala pa rin. Abrahan. Pinasa kay number 10.
Tumira ng 3.
Number 1 for 3.
Oh,
Good for
holding pa, 3 points.
3 points.
So yung MVP ng junior, yung number 1 na yun.
Oo, sir, sa'yo.
Dati.
Pala 18 na. 18 na 17.
18. 17 na. 17 na ito tinanggap natin.
Abrahan. Another 2. Arceo.
Na-adjust pa nila.
For 3. No good.
Maraming time na lang.
Magbandak.
Game.
Bounce pass kay number 9. Good for 2 points. The 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Abrahan for 3. Oh, good.
Yeah, 60. 6:53.
Nasa pa? Wala.
Pakinig sa video.
Abrahan.
Cut, cut.
No good.
Itutot na lang. Tut! Na ganun.
Yun na, siyakan niya. Tama, pare ko. Biglang nagdasal.
Yo. Yun.
Good for 2 points by number 9. Good for 2 points by number 6.
Yun.
Good for 3 points by number 3.
69.
That's 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Ayun na.
Nanalo pa to.
Abrahan.
Shot. Escape.
So Mexi moves.
71.
Another 2 para kay Abrahan.
Escape. Escape. 73. Kanya uli.
Abrahan.
Oh,
Parang nasa mang inasal. Nakaanli eh.
yeah. Yo,
Number 10.
kanya uli.
Ang kaba. Lisay, kahit ang kab.
Yeah, shoot. 3
Look for
points.
3 points. By number 6.
60. 73. Shortcut sa dalawang scorer.
Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Ito na si Jerome.
Hindi po namin alam na pupunta ka daw.
Bukas pa. May schedule bukas, may laro. Schedule laro bukas.
Kasi hanggang sila down sa Manila.
Ipo-post po.
Mamaya,
Nagpapaano?
Ipo-post na ako yung schedule.
yung bukas, para bukas.
Alam ko nasa sila ngayon.
Last 2 minutes.
Ano kayo nagpapa-ispa eh? Okay, understandable naman. Kailangan. Wala
Sure.
namang masama doon.
Good for 2 points by number 9.
Shoot.
Arceo. No good. Magbanlak. No good.
Halid na.
That's 1 minute and 25. Ay, huwag gandang pasa. Ay, magbanlak.
Lagaw.
Magbanlak. That's 1 minute.
3 points.
Tipmore 73.
Kaya pa, Kuya Michael, shoot mo 3 points.
Yes.
Good for 2 points by number 9. That's 40 seconds.
Sige, kaya shoot nga. Ay, kabadil.
That's 30 seconds.
Walang
10 to shoot.
Hinabos na.
5 to shoot.
Yeah.
14 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining.
Wala pa rin.
5 seconds.
Wala na. Let's go.